Hi guys, so we're in City Match beside
near Business Bay station. Okay.
and we have 5 bags.
Okay, let's go.
So we're in our new room and
What room is it? 507. So I think because we requested for a room change.
This one has 2 beds and it has a better view, and I like the fact that each level has their own temperature days.
Okay,
So,
pakita mo yung loob. Sige. Kung gano'ng kaganda.
Oh,
Okay.
this one is bigger.
Oo, parang mas maganda to kaysa doon sa una natin nakita, no? Sige.
And there's the cabinet. Hi guys,
So pinapakita mo yung cabinet? Oo.
So this is the cabinet. There's 2 cabinet here and slippers there.
Oh, tapos ito yung
There's
mga
a
tubig,
fridge
ref.
and you can make coffee.
Tsaka yung Volt, yung favorite mo. Favorite.
Which already has fountain. Yes, bathroom.
Sige. So ano na tayo ha? Magsisettle na tayo ha? So, naghihintay na lang tayo nung key. Ha? Okay?
Black?
Kind of.
Oh, so. Oh, kind of.
No, that's not black.
It's not black.
No.
So, ito ang view namin. So, pag dumating yung sasakyan, doon manggagaling. Tapos, papasok siya rito. Ang lobby banda ron. Tapos, ang parking na rin banda ron din. Dito ka papasok. Ayan, yung pinapasokan ng taxi doon. Tapos, banda ron ng banda ron ng ang lobby. Tapos, doon na rin ang parking. So, makikita ka namin. So, mas maganda ang view ngayon.
It does have a
This is our lunch for our short staycation. Sam has, wow, big Pepsi. I wonder.
No,
Right?
this is Mountain Dew.
And guys, who wants fresh salad? Salad. Willing to share.
I'm willing.
Salad. Salad. More salad. Healthy. Salad.
Okay. I want.
Stop.
Stop. Chop.
Anak, ito lang sa card. Tapos mo yung card.
Ang daming time.
Magic.
Ikaw po yan. Easy access ba yung card mo?
Yeah.
Sige anak, ikaw na sa card.
Okay.
Open mo na lang yung room natin.
Eldest, youngest, super eldest, second to the youngest. Card here. Place I belong. Come to mama. Come back home. I belong. Where West Virginia. Come to mama.
Kuya, maglalagay ako rito ng mga towel.
Hey guys, we will try this golden cheesecake from Memo Pancake. They're located in Dubai Mall and Chinatown. See, tastes good. Looks like it's so creamy. Apa? Yummy, it melts in your mouth. Not that sweet. You want to try? Try nyo guys. Kaya pala siya laging mahaba ang pila. They're good. Best seller. Cheesecake. 10 out of 10. Try it. Enjoy.
Hi guys, we're in the 18th floor with the gym and
So 18th floor, dito yung gym and pool. Okay.
And only 2 elevator leads to the 18th.
Ito kasi yun. Ito lang, tsaka ito. But they have a total of 4 lifts, no? Sige. Pakita mo ang ating pool area. Ganda oh.
One is fully open, you get that from here, you get from there, you get towels there, or the vest.
Doon lang kinukuha yung mga tuwalya, no?
Yeah.
Tapos may bar siya rito. Ayan, ito yung bar area niya. Sa gabi, maganda yan. Masarap pala mag-swimming pag ganitong oras eh. Gusto mo ba?
Okay.
Balik tayo?
Okay.
Sige. Okay. Tingnan natin muna yung gym. Kasi hindi pa mainit. Tapos sa hapon kasi maraming tao. Open the door na.
It is
Tingnan natin yung gym.
7:40.
Sige anak. Nagkatabi lang yung pool tsaka yung gym. Yung gym nga pala 24 hours to. Yung gym. Maganda yung equipment niya. Okay naman. Kompleto naman. May weights. May pang cardio. May treadmills. Maganda yung view. Mga weights siya magaganda naman. Kompleto naman. Tsaka malinis.
Hi guys, so we're eating sesame bun for the second time.
Mas.
Magbiyahe.
What?
The 3 of you lang, magpabiyahe. Bakit
Yeah,
tatlo?
I'm not gonna go.
Because?
I don't want you to be lonely. And plus,
Anak. Anak?
I don't want Matt to be lonely. And plus, it would be like bad for her. Because I mean, it's unfair because we get to enjoy Philippines, but she has to work in here. So I wouldn't go.
Ako rin naman, ako naman ang
Not
magsasalita.
under any circumstances.
Ako kuha ko rin ako dyan.
Okay, let's
Diyan ka lang. Diyan.
Sam.
Sam,
No.
the Baba is
Okay,
doing
let's sit
something.
there.
No,
No,
dito,
sit.
halika.
Ah.
Ako naman, ayokong umuwi ng Pilipinas kung hindi kasama ang mama nyo. Kasi, syempre, ang happiness ni Baba, si Mama. Kung wala si Mama, Baba will not enjoy. Ikaw, kuya, gusto mo ba? Tayong tatlo na lang? So, Mama, you're needed. We will not leave you. Although you're leaving us kapag nagpupunta ka ng Africa. So,
It's work.
okay lang. Iwan lang kami dito. Okay lang.
I mean, if it's work reasons, I can understand. But if it's not for work reasons, you have problems with me.
What if the next business trip will be on
On where? Philippines?
no
Where? Turkey?
Turkey?
Like the food?
Alright.
Like the Turkey
I'll
food?
order. Sir, I'll additional order ha. I want this one. Korean barbecue lamb chops.
lang? Korean barbecue lang.
Yes. This is my favorite. Lamb. Para pag ano natin, may...
Hintayin yung susi ah.
Oh, dito na ako.
Balik! Back! Oh, hindi! Yes, kuya! Good! Ababos!
Hi, and now we're about to leave in our 3 days and 4 nights staycation at City Max.
Okay, so ito yun, City Max. Oo. Okay, ikaw naman.
Yeah.
And that's our luggage.
Yun ang ating luggage. Oo. So ito.
And Mama ordered us a large Uber.
Oo. Ano sasabihin mo, Sam?
Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe on YouTube, and follow us on TikTok.
Okay. Enjoy ba kayo sa stay natin dito?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.